Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a crankshaft position sensor on your Hyundai Elantra. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical issues. Next, safely raise the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with 2 jack stands. You will need a few basic tools, primarily a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension to reach the sensor. Now, let's find that sensor. The crankshaft position sensor is usually located on the lower half of the engine, often close to the oil filter. You'll find it specifically where the engine connects to the transmission bell housing. Depending on your vehicle's configuration, you may need to remove a plastic undercover or splash shield to gain proper access to the area. A good flashlight will be very helpful here. With the sensor located, carefully disconnect its electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling it away. Then, use your 10mm socket to remove the single bolt securing the sensor to the engine block. Gently twist and pull the old sensor free. Before installing the new sensor, apply a small amount of fresh engine oil to its O-ring. This helps with sealing and prevents damage. Insert the new sensor, tighten its bolt to about 10 foot-pounds, and reconnect the electrical harness. You're almost done. Reinstall any undercovers or splash shields you removed earlier. Carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands and reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any check engine lights. If a light appears, or if you had one before, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to read and clear any diagnostic trouble codes. This ensures your vehicle's computer recognizes the new sensor and operates correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.